Hey everyone, this is David from DIY Games. Started getting some questions about these grips. These are the Bonecrusher 250 pounds. Oop, there we go. These are the Bonecrusher 250 pounds. These are harder to get. The heavy grips, which are pretty much the same thing, those are cheaper, more accessible. You can get them on Amazon. But anyway, people were asking, do I actually use these? There's the left-handed. Alright, let's switch to the right. So there they are. These are 250 pounds. They definitely give you a pretty good test on your grip. Trying to stay steady while I'm holding this. But anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave a link in the description for the heavy grips. Like I said, these are the Bonecrusher. Whenever I bought mine, I bought the 200, 250, and 300 pound. Depending on what kind of response I get from this video, I may go ahead and post a video of the 300 pound. But there they are. Bonecrusher 250 pounds. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. And thank you for watching.